Good morning, children. In the previous class, we discussed kinds of quadrilaterals and properties of parallelogram. Today, we are going to discuss the topic some special parallelograms. Special properties of parallelogram. Remember that a parallelogram has four sides consisting of two pairs that are parallel to each other. A parallelogram may be equiangular, that is, four identical angles, and the shape is called as rectangle. A parallelogram may be equilateral, that is, four identical side lengths, and the shape is called as square or a rhombus. A parallelogram may be both equiangular and equilateral. An example of a special parallelogram that is both equiangular and equilateral is the square. So we see that all these shapes are parallelogram, which are called as special parallelograms. Properties of a rhombus. Since rhombus is also a parallelogram, all the properties of parallelogram hold true for rhombus also. These are: the opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. The opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel to each other. The adjacent angles of a rhombus are supplementary. And the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Apart from these properties, there are two exceptional properties of rhombus. These are: all the sides of a rhombus are equal, and the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. This is the diagonal property of a rhombus. Properties of rectangle. Since rectangle is also a parallelogram, all the properties of parallelogram hold true for rectangle also. These are: 1. The opposite angles of a rectangle are equal. 2. The opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel to each other. 3. The adjacent angles of a rectangle are supplementary. And 4. The diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Apart from these properties, there are two exceptional properties of rectangle, like rhombus. These are: each angle of a rectangle is a right angle, and the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Properties of square. Since square is also a parallelogram, all the properties of parallelogram hold true for square also. These are: 1. The opposite angles of a square are equal. 2. The opposite sides of a square are parallel to each other. 3. The adjacent angles of a square are supplementary. And 4. The diagonals of a square bisect each other. Apart from these properties, the exceptional properties of square matches with the exceptional properties of a rhombus. That is, all the sides are equal. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. There is one interesting thing to note, that the properties of square also match with the exceptional properties of rectangle. That is, each angle of a rectangle is a right angle, and the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Thus, the properties of square are: all the sides are of equal length. Each angle is a right angle. The two diagonals are of equal length. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Let us recall the properties of parallelogram and special parallelograms. Properties of parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Diagonals bisect each other. Sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Properties of rhombus. All sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Properties of rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. All angles are 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other. Sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Properties of square. All sides are equal. All angles are 90 degree. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Let us discuss some example questions. First question, RICE is a rhombus. Find x, y and z. Here we have the rhombus RICE. We need to find the values of x, y and z. Here EI and CR are diagonals. They are intersecting at O. Let us check the solution. Here Z is the side of the rhombus. Property of rhombus states that all sides are equal. One side ER is given. ER is equal to 13. So ER is equal to RI is equal to IC is equal to CE. All equal to 13. Therefore RI is equal to Z is equal to 13. Next, given OE is equal to x and OI is equal to 5. One of the property of rhombus states that diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, OE is equal to OI. OI is 5, so OE also is equal to 5. Therefore, OE is equal to x is equal to 5. Similarly, given OC is equal to 12 and OR is equal to y. So by the property OC is equal to OR. So OR also is equal to 12. Therefore OR is equal to y is equal to 12. Therefore x equal to 5, y equal to 12 and z equal to 13. Second question. RENT is a rectangle. Its diagonals meet at O. Find x if OR is equal to 2x plus 4 and OT is equal to 3x plus 1. Here we have the rectangle RENT with the diagonals TE and RN. We need to find the value of x. Let us check the solution. Given OT is equal to 3x plus 1 and OR is equal to 2x plus 4. OT is the half of the diagonal TE and OR is the half of the diagonal RN. One of the property of rectangle states that in a rectangle diagonals are equal. So their halves are also equal. Therefore 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 4. Let us keep the like terms together. So 3x transposing 2x to the LHS. So it will change into negative 2x is equal to 4 is already in the RHS. Positive 1 is transposing to the RHS. So it will change into negative 1. From this 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So now we got the value of x. X is equal to 3. So children, our third chapter is completed. The next chapter will start in the next class. Okay children, today's class is completed. Practice the question answers what we discussed today.